Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, I started one Telegram channel. So the interested candidates may join in that group. I kept the link in the description box of this video. And here we are going to see the University Grants Commission's 100 plus free online courses for both faculty as well as the students. So the interested candidates may enroll now. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. So, and I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Swayam. So in the Swayam, the huge online courses are started, guys. So the interested candidates may take the registrations or you may enroll here. Okay, and here the different national coordinators are there. So all these national coordinators are putting the, or else giving the online classes from the very good professors. Okay, and if you want to see the current courses, then click on this here, all courses. Then you will be directed to the list of the courses provided by the Swayam. So you can check down. Here these are the upcoming courses, that is the enrollment is open, and the ongoing courses, that is the enrollment is already closed. Fine. So even though the enrollment is closed, but you can watch the videos. Okay, no problem. And coming to the upcoming courses, so here the PG and the UG courses are also there. Fine. So here the animation and agricultural policy and the libraries and induction, okay, ICT and libraries. Fine. So you can observe here, and who is the national coordinator providing the particular course also you can check down, and what is the, the duration. So what is the starting date and what is the ending date, all these things you can check down. Okay, you can check the schedule also. Okay, for example, if you are interested in any one of the course, so click on that one. Then you can check down the course layout here from the website. So it is provided by the IIT Bombay, and what are the books and the reference are there. Okay, so you can check down what is the starting date and what is the end date. Okay, and if you want to get the certificate for the course, actually for the joining the course it is free. If you want to get the certificate, then you have to pay certain amount, nearly 1000 might be there. So okay, after paying that amount, then after completion of the course, you will be allotted with one online center. You have to go there and write the exam. So if you got the proper marks, then you will be awarded with one certificate. Okay, so for students, if you got that certificate, then whatever the credits are there in your UG or PG program, those credits will be transferred to your academic. Okay, so that many flexibility are there. While coming to the faculty, the certificate will be very much valuable for your grade pace, okay, or else for your hikes. Okay, and coming to the students, the credits are going to be transferred to your academics or else to your degree. So for both faculty as well as the students, it's a very big advantage. Okay, and for the faculties, apart from the certificate and apart from the hikes in your salary, you can also get the very good basic knowledge so that you can teach your students in a very good way. So the interested candidates may take the enrollment here, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who are looking for such type of opportunities. Fine. So for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and It is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC-NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.